So we've got a bit of an exciting time coming up. This year's been a bit flat really with the COVID job. All the racing's been off, has given us a bit more time to get our bike set up. So in 2 weeks we've got Hawkstone Park, 2-day race event, which we're going to use our bikes for if they're ready. Not tested or anything like that. And then, so 2 weeks after that, we've got a 2-day race event at Farleighcastle called King of the Castle. Neither of us have ridden there, have we?
No, super looking forward to that. Everybody in the motocross world says it's the place to be. Again, it's another 2-day event, so hopefully we'll get to meet lots of people, make lots more friends.
Massively looking forward to Farleighcastle. It's supposed to be an awesome track, and it's supposed to be the event to do. So, and then, so another month after, so I believe as well there's some more racing coming up, which we haven't entered yet. We might have to be quick if we want to do that. And then on the 10th and 11th of October, we're booked in to do the classic bike show at Stafford. So we just booked that yesterday.
We've got lots of bikes to go there, haven't we?
We've got lots and lots
quite
of bikes.
Quite a few Bonnevilles. Well, that we need to work on. Bike that we've been working on just recently here on the workbench. A B44, isn't it? I got that going yesterday. Runs really sweet.
So that's a BSA.
BSA B44. That runs really sweet. It's really nice. Proper good original bike.
The trouble is, when Phil gets something going, he always says, "Oh, I think we should keep this one." And that's what's happened. So yesterday he got it running, and he's like, "Well, I think we could have this, and we could." It's just one of the running bikes that we could have around our workshop, and we could go and get butties on it and stuff. And we're supposed to be in this to turn rust to riches, not to just keep rust.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll see.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Look at that. Do you like that?
Wow.
I'm not disagreeing with you.
And I was going to big you up a little bit yesterday because you did a fantastic job of getting that going yesterday.
Thank you.
And the car didn't leak or anything like that.
Thank you.
Brilliant.